All right, ladies and gentlemen, DJs around the world, we are going to check out a classic trend following day. Okay, here, volume, bam, 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 over 100%. So what happens? We open, let's look at the open here. We open, we go higher. We're basically opening at the 457 strike. We go up to 458, and then what happens? Big old bang, bear bomb, 436% max gain return. I mean, look at this thing. You get it here, one strike. And this is what we want to do on a trend following day. One, if price is nuking, right, we're going to avoid these bulls because they're at the blue line. You never know how far it's going to go down. Right at the blue, too early. Okay, so these come in, and what happens? Let's look at the PS. 1.34, and these are, oh my gosh, this is super profitable because, the end of the day was crazy. Minus 2.71. But when you're looking at these here, and they come in live, right, you'll notice the price action, if we go to candlestick mode, which is still ugly, it's kind of choppy right here, okay? And we just want to wait. Like, if this thing's going to go again, it's going to frickin' go. And you could have just waited until right here. You see the red floor come in. You'll get the alert notification. You buy that around this time when price is still going up. Bam, you get it. Because if we were going to go higher here, these would be bulls. They wouldn't be bears, okay? As soon as we start going down, boom, you get another one coming in. Boom, you get another one coming in. Oh, you get a bull swing and a bear bomb. So that's someone trying to swing it, right? That's a trader thinking, hey, we've already gone down so far, we're going to go back up. But remember, people, here's the thing. Blue line, okay? One red line, two red lines. What happens when we get down to three? Remember, 3 is the range. 3 higher, 3 lower, that's when we can start thinking, hey, maybe this thing will have some mean reversion. Maybe it'll bounce the other way. And that's exactly what happens, okay? So now we get to the kill zone. This is where they just kill people. Because Wall Street, the lizards, whatever, they're trading this thing up until noon. They take lunch. They're doing the thing and drinking martinis or whatever the hell. And, so we see these 3 bull bombs come in, all decent scores, but they get absolutely annihilated, okay? Now, you can take this trade, but you have to think, man, we already moved up from here. There's going to be more risk, right? Because you want it down 3. I mean, it's really just down 2, but you want it down 3 instead of here, okay? If it goes, it goes. If not, cut your stop loss super quick. Here we go. You're looking at this one. This gets 367% because at the end of the day, it's a trend day. We close essentially at the low. But once again, this isn't one we had to hit immediately because you're watching it up and down at 456, and then boom, They make their move here, and we eventually go down to the 455 strike. And the best trade, probably the whole day, let's click this thing. Oh my goodness, 485.93%. That's a 634 score. That's someone dropping $500,000 or more with 1 hour to go left in the session. I mean, they know. Wall Street always knows. Wall Street always wins. The whole thing with rigged AI is we copy trade them and win when they win. I mean, let's look at that thing. Wow. So even if you bought and you didn't do anything, you got 223%, but your max gain was almost 5x in 44 minutes. Because what happened at the end of the session, you get this little beep, 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 this little bounce up. The important thing, to kind of remember, staple to forehead, is that on a trend following day when the price action is consistently moving down, we only want to look for alerts that follow. So that means bears minus PS or bulls plus PS. But this is a down day, so we're not looking for bulls. Okay? Don't let these guys fool you. We send all of these alerts anyway because sometimes, you will see a reversal here. I mean, you never know how the market's going to unfold. But basic rig strategy, follow the trend when it's happening, stick to it. And if you did that, man, you absolutely crushed it. This is a perfect example of trend following 101 using the rigged AI 0 DTE system.